In today's video, let me show you how to use FPX Malaysia step by step. Now, in order to use this payment method, you need to either do it through the bank application. So any bank applications within Malaysia would have the FPX online banking visible, such as CIMB or OCBC. So within the payment method, you simply need to head over to the online banking and you can use this as a payment method. Secondly, what you could also do is during the checkout section on platforms such as Shopee, on Lazada, or also on a utility section, when you're trying to pay online on these checkout sections, you simply need to select the online payment option of FPX, which will then redirect you to the official website of the banking application. You need to select your own bank, and then once you log into your account, you should be able to complete the checkout process using this method as well. So there are two methods as we just discussed. You could use either of those. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.